Let's say EURUSD for this week. What has happened? What we can see, it was a bullish week because the price has gone from 1.07825 up to 1.09860, and we can see it here. For 4 days the price has risen in value, and on the Friday we can see that the price has dropped down from 1.09860 to the first support, which is 1.08846. This means that the price has found enough strength here at the demand zone, and the price has formed this bullish breakout on a Wednesday, and on a Thursday the second one above 1.08846, and reached this very hard and also pretty big confluence of resistance here around 1.09860, which has activated also a sell-off at this supply zone, where we can see that the price is dropping on Friday just here at 1.08846, which is currently acting as a support. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see a weekly bullish candle where we have a large wick on the upside because of this strong selling zone here around 1.09860, which is a confluence of resistance. Then if we take a look on the monthly time frame, how this looks currently as indecision candle where the price is jumping between these two price levels, 1.072 and also 1.01 price level. And if we take a look, after the previous month has closed a strong bullish candle, which has formed also a bullish breakout to the upside, we can see that this month the price has reversed back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one currently, because we have 2 more weeks and 3 more weeks until this month ends. So we need to wait what will happen, because this candle should close as a bullish one if we want to have this bullish breakout as a valid one. So we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends, so this is still open. But we can go to the monthly time frame, from the monthly time frame to the weekly, to see a little bit closer what can happen. But currently, if we take a look here, we have a strong confluence of resistance on the monthly time frame at 1.09860, which will prevent the price from reaching higher price levels. And we can see in the past, for the monthly time frame, this also price level was very hard to break to the above and confirm this breakout as a valid one. So currently we can see that the price is having a hard time also reaching this price level, because it's bouncing from it for the second month. But also very critical levels for this month would be also first one 1.09 on the monthly time frame. We can see it here for the bulls, and below that the first one is 1.086 and then 1.083. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see what are very important levels. So we can see 1.086 is visible here at the lower side of this supply zone, currently supply zone, and also we can see it here below that is 1.083, which is also visible here as the low side of this week. So we have this week as the bullish candle where the price has made a breakout to the upside. We can see it here with this bullish candle, but this weekly bullish breakout is still not valid, because we can see it here that the price needs to break above this here area, which is currently acting as a supply zone, in order to continue to move up to the higher price levels. For now, this weekly candle and also current situation on the weekly time frame looks a little bit indecision, so it's very hard to make a clear distinction. Will the bulls continue to move up, or it will fall down even more below that, which will be the first level, which is around 1.085, and also below that it is the start of this demand zone, which is 1.08. Now let's go to the daily, which will be much more clear to see how this will behave for the next week. For now, what I can see, we have 2 bullish breakouts to the upside. Currently this one has been validated because the second candle did not return back down, which means the price is stopped at this currently demand zone, which is 1.08846. So we have here potentially also a bullish momentum, which will continue to rise up and try to make a breakout about 1.09860, which is a confluence of resistance on the monthly, weekly and our daily time frame. We can see it much more clearly. Now, if the price returns back down below this one, which is 1.086, we will see the price dropping down even more, which is at 1.083. I am repeating these also price levels because you can see it here. They are visible also on the weekly and also on the monthly time frame, which are very important. So for the price also on the weekly and also on the monthly time frame, it's very important that this month doesn't end at below 1.083, which will also cancel this bullish momentum, at least on the monthly time frame. It will slow it down, and also on the weekly one. So if the price stays above, which is confirmed with this Friday candle, which is still above this support level, this will mean that the price will continue to move up. So I'm still open to see the price on the higher price levels. So if you would like to see also what would be the entry level with the stop loss and to take profit, you can also check my trading community to see what are these entry levels. But for now, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.